Despite the cost associated with having a healthier diet, some parents are trying to find alternatives to get their children to have fewer sugary drinks. Health Minister Dr. Christopher Tufton is expressing concern about the challenge the population is facing in terms of lifestyle-related diseases, which are most times influenced by too much sugar and fat. TVJ's Shamela Pullen reports.
7 out of 10 persons who die each year suffer from some form of non-communicable diseases like diabetes. Diabetes is often linked to the large consumption of sugar in one's diet, including sweetened drinks. Sandra Morgan has 2 grandchildren. Miss Morgan is worried because sweetened drinks, which contribute to obesity, could possibly lead to diabetes.
My granddaughter, and she have too many sweets. She just eats her skin, just continue to eat her.
And that's what the health minister, Dr. Christopher Tufton, has been talking about. Dr. Tufton thinks a public health crisis is looming among school children. According to the health minister, the ministry conducted surveys in the last 2 years that show increasing incidence of obesity.
Obesity levels have doubled over a 7-year period. Now, it is an alarmingly increasing rate of obesity among our school population.
But having less sugary drinks means more money for the healthier choices. However, only few parents are willing or able to make that sacrifice.
Cut back on something. There's got to be some area where you can cut your expense and use those funds instead towards a less sugary drink.
We now have the fruit juices. I think it's what, $60 more per bag, but it's better you have one of those than be having the bag juice, which is entirely sugary.
I would make like cherry juice. I have a lot of fruits and vegetables, so I am prepared to give her a lot of fruits and vegetable.
But Dr. Tufton says while the effort being made by these parents is commendable, water is a better choice. He thinks it is something that they should consider.
Nothing wrong with them drinking water or flavored water. And in fact, water is by far the most nutritious drink and the most healthy drink that they could have.
Restrictions on sugary drinks in schools will take effect on January 1, 2019. Shamela Pullen, TVJ News.